Let's take a look at the Divoom Timesgate Pixel Art Informative Display. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Alright, let's go ahead and take it out of the box. It has really nice and attractive packaging. It looks pretty high tech, kind of reminds me of those tube clocks, but more fancier. It comes with a USB-C cable to power the device. I really like that the cable is a braided cable, which will help prevent kinking. Just to note, this does require to be plugged in for power and does not have a built-in battery. Once plugged in, the device will power on and go to the waiting to configure screen. At that point, you'll need to download the Divoom Pixel Art Editor app and sync it with your Timesgate device. You'll need to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and you'll also need to register or create an account with Divoom to log into the app. Once logged in, you can add a device to the app by following the setup guide. Mine first downloaded and installed the firmware update before I was able to sync it to the app. Before I jump into the app, let me quickly go over the buttons on the Timesgate. The light button will change the RGB light pattern and color when you short press it. The mode button changes the display modes. The left button will reduce the brightness, and the right button will increase the brightness. As for the power button, it turns the screens on and off, as well as puts the device in syncing mode by pressing and holding it down for 6 seconds. Moving back to the app, this is where you'll make all the adjustments and changes. You can change the RGB colors and modes, as well as many other things. You can custom create pixel art to display on the screens. It takes a few seconds after your selection has been made to display it on the Timesgate screen you choose. You can also select from many user-created pixel art to display on the screens. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use this as a clock or a stopwatch and timer. There are also widgets you can use to display stats, stock market tickers, or even your YouTube stats like sub counts, view counts, date, and more. Now overall, this is a cool device and does look nice, but I can't really say it's a necessity to have. It'll definitely add some style and attractiveness to your desk or layout, and can function as a small informative display to glance at while you're doing other things on your main computer screen or phone. Another good thing is that it doesn't require to have a computer to use. All you need is a smartphone to download the app and set up. If you're interested in the Divoom Timesgate, I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.